Every signal your senses collect, sight, sound, touch, taste, passes through a walnut-sized relay before your conscious mind ever receives it. The single exception is smell. When that relay, the thalamus, begins misfiring, people describe rooms tilting, voices arriving a half-second late, their own hands feeling borrowed. In 1986, doctors in Bologna documented a man who simply stopped sleeping. The cause was fatal familial insomnia, a disease that erodes the thalamus until sedatives, anesthesia, nothing at all, can switch the brain off. He stayed awake until he died. New one drops every day. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Neurologists can quiet the symptoms for a while, but they cannot stop the degeneration, because the thalamus has no backup route. Once the relay fails, the signals have nowhere else to go.